How can the Maverick not talk about that 100-meter run by Oblique Seville at the Racers Grand Prix? World lead, personal best, 9.82. And it was not just the 9.82. It started with the execution of the race. He was out of the blocks in a flash, and he just kept going further and further away from the field, culminating in that glaring glance at the race favorite, Noah Lyles, as if to say, "Who you man?" And of course, the signal is sent, not just to Noah Lyles, who was left griping and grumbling and finding all kind of excuses, even sending a message to Oblique that he will see him in Paris. Something for Lyles to remember though, that 9.82 clocking by Oblique Seville is his personal best, which is no faster than Noah Lyles' personal best of 9.83. That means, despite all the hype, Oblique Seville is a faster sprinter than Noah Lyles. So be careful, brother Lyles. If and when you see Oblique Seville in Paris, you might get the who you look again on the big Olympic stage. Who you man?